The directives on insurance mediation and insurance distribution harmonize the rules of distribution across the EU. Nevertheless, there are still some major differences between the countries. For example, if you ask me how many MGAs operate in Poland, I'd say there's no such thing. This is because the Polish law does not recognize this kind of entity and it takes a different approach. In this video, I would like to show you who distributes insurance products in Poland and how successful they are. My name is Paweł Stykowski. I'm the head of insurance at DWF Poland. Who can distribute insurance products in Poland? First of all, it's the insurance companies themselves. They can distribute their products via internet or through their employees. Then there are insurance agents and insurance brokers. Broker represents the potential policyholder. So first he needs to obtain a power of attorney to represent his client, and then he needs to ask various insurance companies for an offer in order to present him with the best offer possible. So each insurer provides him with an offer, then he should make a recommendation in writing to the policyholder. That's a kind of a problem because the recommendation needs to be in writing. The important thing about brokers is that they receive their remuneration usually not from the policyholder but from insurance companies. So normally the policyholder doesn't pay for broker services, despite the fact that he is the broker's client. Insurance brokers are prohibited from having any contractual relationships with insurance companies. There are only two exceptions: contracts regulating brokers' remuneration and insurance contracts where brokers are the policyholders or the insured. Agent represents insurance companies. So first he needs to enter into an agency agreement with an insurance company. He can execute similar agency agreements with other insurance companies, and then he can represent all of them, and he is called a multi-agent. Agent's task is to seek out potential policyholder and offer them products of insurance companies that he represents. Obviously, he receives his remuneration, a commission from insurance companies. What are the differences between insurance agents and insurance brokers? Insurance agent represents the insurer, while insurance broker represents the policyholder, the potential policyholder. Insurance agent offers products of insurance companies that he represents and only those, while insurance broker should ask a number of insurers for the offer for his client. Theoretically, he should find the best product in the whole market. Insurance agent has to provide advice to the client in accordance with the IDD, and insurance broker has to provide his client with a clear recommendation in writing. That's the difference. Insurance brokers has to make a recommendation in writing. Insurance agent receives remuneration from his principal, from the insurance company, while insurance broker receives remuneration from insurers or policyholders. Those two options are provided for in the Polish law. In practice, almost always insurance companies pay insurance brokers remuneration. Are there more brokers or agents? Which distributors sell more? The official data show that there are many more agents than brokers. There are over 30,000 agents and only about 1,400 brokers. Majority of agents are multi-agents, that is, agents that represent more than one insurance company. Let's have a look at sales statistics. In terms of life insurance distribution channels, it turns out that insurance agents are the most successful. Then there's direct sales by insurance companies, either via internet or through their employees, and a very small proportion of contracts executed by insurance brokers. However, brokers are much more successful in selling non-life insurance products. This is probably because they provide advice to the largest companies in the Polish market, which require most of all non-life insurance products. Also, you can be surprised by a low level of direct sales by insurance companies. This is one of the unusual things about the Polish market, although this might change now due to the coronavirus problem. I hope you find this video useful. I intend to make more such videos in the future to explain the Polish law and market. So, see you next time. One more thing. If you have any questions or suggestions, especially concerning topics of next videos, feel free to contact me at this email address.